Hello, welcome to day 6 of 14-day challenge. Trying to maneuver this new stage of life. Sometimes it's difficult in thinking on your mindset and how you want to frame things, I guess. When I'm at a show, and one of the things I say a lot to people is, I have 3 girls and they all have straight hair because I don't have straight hair, but they all have straight hair. And I have to remind myself to say it in past tense. There's a lot of things like that. When I've introduced myself as a mom of 3 girls for 15 years, I have to think about, well, how do I introduce myself now? Am I still a mom to 3 girls? I'm not, but I was. When I see those cute t-shirts that I never did get that talk about your tribe, I think, well, I can't get one of those anymore because I don't have a tribe anymore. Well, I'm gonna cry. Would I turn back time to not have the loss and grief? Not for a second. But it's a mind shift. I have to treasure the times that we had. I have to look at it as the memories that we had, all the things that happened before or who make us who we are now. If we hadn't had those, if Ellen Aranza had never been born, then we wouldn't be grieving, but we wouldn't be the people we are today. None of us would, because they made waves, not ripples. When I went on a trip with a teammate in October, I watched a movie on the plane. It was called About Time. I'd never heard of it before or knew anything about it, but it was the only one in there that I thought I could watch without triggering me becoming a blubbering mass between 2 strangers on the plane. In the movie, a boy finds out that the men in their family can travel through time. And although he can't change history, he resolves to improve his life by getting a girlfriend. So he goes through this process. He finds this girl he wants. He keeps going back till he finally makes it happen. He manages to win her over. He marries her, has kids. And he finds that his special ability can't shield him and those he loves from the problems of ordinary life. When his dad gets cancer and is going to die, he has one more visit. On the day of the funeral, he goes back in time before the funeral and visits with his dad on the day of the funeral. And his dad told him that he should live every day like a normal day, and at the end of the day, go back and live every day again, but only noticing the joys and the blessings of the day. And as time goes on, the boy realizes that he should just live every day that way. And he stops going back in time and reliving those days because he is enjoying every moment, choosing joy, and finding the blessings in every moment, every day, without having to go back in time. Well, I found 10 ways to choose joy at the start of every day. If you'd like those, shoot me a message. And I charge you today to live every day like you are living it a second time, but noticing only the joy and the blessings of every day and every moment, and making waves, not ripples. See you again tomorrow.